Hello, my name is Gerry Lewy, and I'm going to start this new video on bezel setting. In this particular project, I'm going to be using a high-speed steel burr, a 90-degree angle. I'm going to start the drilling only on the ends, not the sides, only the ends. Now I'm going to start drilling, keeping the angle of the burr in a 45-degree angle away from me. So I want the bottom part of the burr to do the excavating of the ring. Coming down in a gentle curve, going to the other side, oiling it at all times. Then I'm going to do the sides, but you'll see how my angle is not a 45-degree angle away from me. It's now vertical. Get this away from me. Making sure that all the lines and all the grooves are joining where I finish to where I start. Getting my large brush to see what I'm doing. You can see how nice it looks. This is difficult to do. I'd put this setting at about a 5.5 out of 10. Keeping my drill oiled at all times. Why? This way, when it's lubricated, all the